Today I want to talk about how I have transformed so many emotional patterns in my life, made huge leaps forward that I never thought I could, shown up for myself in ways that I never believed was possible, all from using the energy of flowers and flower essences. And if you've never heard of flower essences, or maybe you've walked by them in a health food store and wondered what they were, today I want to talk about why they can be so magical and transformational. It's not something that people talk about very often, and I have seen nothing but miracles in my life as I've been using them. Today I'm going to share what flower essences are, how I use them, how you can use them, and some of my favorites that you can get started with today to declutter your life, open up emotionally, make big shifts, and most importantly, feel better. First of all, if you're new here, my name's Claudat. I'm a modern Feng Shui master. I founded a whole unique method and school of Feng Shui 20 years ago. Everything we do is multidimensional, super creative, wildly powerful, and unlike anything else in the world. And this work is designed to help you experience infinite possibilities. And when you're being weighed down by really heavy emotions, patterns that keep repeating themselves, things that don't seem to shut off in your mind, it can be so hard to move forward. And back in 2011, I have experienced the deepest, darkest time in my life. Not only did I have a major health crisis of my own, which left me in the hospital for 2 weeks, I was recovering only to have my mom pass away without any warning. And I didn't know what to do or how to recover. And although I had lots of energy shifting tools and things that I could do, I emotionally was not well enough to be able to even do that effectively. I was really in bad shape. I was praying all day. I was praying 4 or 5 hours a day, and that was actually helping me make a breakthrough. In the midst of all these prayers, one of my friends reached out to me and said, "Hey, have you ever tried flower essences?" And I was like, that doesn't sound like it's going to do very much for me right now. Like, I need something a lot stronger than a flower essence. And she was like, "Well, why don't you just try it?" So I was introduced to a woman named Alexis Smart. I was really despondent the first time I met her. I talked and talked, and as I talked, she kept clarifying the emotions that I was feeling and writing them down. She wrote them down. She made me a formula. And within a day of taking this formula, I felt the clouds lifting. Within 2 weeks of taking this formula, I felt a momentum in my life I hadn't felt for years. It was, as she told me, peeling the onion. It was peeling away years and years of emotional patterns and habits, starting with the big one, all of this most recent stuff I had just experienced. And the flowers, the essences that she put in the bottle, would change over time as I started to change. And over the years, bottle after bottle after bottle after bottle of flower essences, which you take under your tongue, I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute, took me on a journey far beyond anything that I ever imagined, and helped me to open up to a whole different world of wholehearted living that I'm so grateful that I got to experience. And since then, I've studied flower essences from many different traditions. There are even essences that are made from crystals, but today I want to focus on flowers because they really hit me emotionally. And if you're in an emotional whirlwind of any kind, please get the professional support that you need. And please get all the support that you need. But if you want a little boost, this may be of service. And for all of you who are looking to open up to a next level of open-heartedness or creativity or just joyful living or freedom from looking backward or freedom from feeling stuck or hiding in the background, this can be something that really changes things for you. In the 1920s and 1930s, Dr. Edward Bach discovered 38 of these flower remedies. Each singular flower created a singular remedy. So for instance, there's a flower honeysuckle and there's a honeysuckle flower essence. And each remedy corresponded to emotions. So each flower was connected to emotions. Now, how do the flowers get into the essences? Let's talk about that. There are 2 ways that flowers become essences, 2 main ways. One main way is that the flowers themselves are soaked in water in the sunlight, and the water gets the imprint, the energetic imprint of the flowers. And then that water is strained of all the flowers, and that water itself is then added to brandy, half and half, to create a strong flower essence. So that's how these main essences are created. The other way is that the flower is boiled or heated in water to get the energetic imprint into the water, okay? So that's less frequent as far as I have seen. Most of the time it is the flowers just imprinting on the water. Either way, the flower essence does not contain the flower itself. It only contains the energy of the flower. Meaning this isn't like an herbal tincture. This isn't like a tea. This isn't something where you are actually getting parts of the rose petal. You're getting just the essence of the rose petal in the actual remedy. So these are purely energetic remedies. Now, knowing that going into it, I didn't expect much at the beginning, but they are wildly powerful. Now, other companies since then have developed other flower essences out of more flowers. For instance, Flower Essence Services, another company I love, created 103 core essences that are their quintessential essences that you can explore on their website if you want to learn more about all these flowers and the additional properties that they have and all of the different emotional components and ways that you can use them. But of course, I always come back to my Alexis Smart Remedies, and now she makes remedies that are for certain things. Right now, I am taking Wallflower, which is the remedy to become more open and social, and I really feel that in my life. I'm so much more excited to go out and do things. I've only been taking it for a few days, and it feels so good. There are so many remedies on her website, and the one that I recommend the highest for everyone, of course, follow your heart and what you need, is the remedy In Love. In Love has helped me again and again and again to live with more love, and love is really the ultimate manifesting power. The Bach remedy that I most recommend if you are looking to make a fresh start, looking for emotional openness, looking to move forward and stop looking backward, especially if you're decluttering, and that one is honeysuckle. That is a great one to open up to the new. Now, if you are using Flower Essence Services and you are looking for a Flower Essence Services blend that is going to help you to make a big leap, Flower Essence Services makes a blend called Mindful that is a spray, and you can spray it all over your house. We'll talk about how to use these essences in just a moment. Mindful blend is my favorite blend for all things to do with starting new work, starting new endeavors, starting new creative projects. If you are taking flower essences, here's how it works. I give the bottle a little shake because it activates the essences, and then I take the dropper and you take 4 drops under your tongue 4 times a day. That's it. 4 drops under your tongue 4 times a day. That is all you need every single day. Now, most essences can come with or without alcohol. For those of you who do not consume any alcohol, you can get them alcohol free. You can also put the remedies in a bath, and I do this every single time I take a bath. You just take a full dropper. So whatever remedy you're using, take a full dropper and put it directly in your bathtub, in the water, and then make a big figure 8 with your arms and stir it. I would love to try to film this in my bathroom, and I've tried so many times, but it's very hard to get a good shot. So I'm just showing you with your hands, you just stir the water in a big figure 8. That helps to integrate the essence into the water. One other fabulous way I'll give you as a bonus to use flower essences, if you find an essence that makes you feel more alive or more beautiful or more comfortable, and in fact, Alexis Smart has several beauty essences on her website that are pre-mixed for beauty and revitalization, you can put those directly into your lotions, your body lotions, and just cover yourself in these essences. It is so divine, and you just feel yourself blanketed, every cell in your body blanketed in this harmony, in this great awakening energy. It's amazing. I wanted to share this with you because I think it's a bit of practical magic that's easy to access. It is not very expensive. It's something that you can play around with, explore, and it really opened up a whole new world for me, as I said, of living in an open-hearted way. And I want you to have the tools to make huge changes in the new year. And if you're really excited to let go of everything in your way in the new year, when you sign up for details below, you can start the free New Year Feng Shui Decluttering Workshop, which will walk you through a huge leap forward that you will make when you start clearing your space. There's so many techniques and visualizations and so much waiting for you in that workshop alone. I can't wait for you to experience it. So again, you can find all the details below. And in the description box below, I've linked the flower essences that I love the most. Please let me know what happens when you try this. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this with friends. There's so many videos to explore on the channel. Please have so much fun, and I'll be back soon with more. Bye.